Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first. Wanted to show you a great little feature in this drawer here, this drawer right here. It's kind of nice, and it's not an expensive feature. It just makes your kitchen a little bit more special. If you are in the middle of putting in a new kitchen, whether it's remodeling or new, it's a great little feature. So we're right here, we're right next to the dishwasher. It's our cleaning station, right? And right next to it is where we keep the silverware. And I wanted to show you that this has silverware dividers, all wood, nicely done. I mean, this is pretty stuff, you know, and put it in a nice dovetail drawer with soft close glides. Listen to that. You couldn't even hear it close. And it just makes organization so much better. And when things are organized better, they don't get damaged. They don't get lost, you know, whatever you're putting in there. You've paid a lot of money for your cutlery. Let's go ahead and keep that looking nice for a long, long time. So you could change it out when you're ready to change it out, not when it's wore out, right? So anyhow, simple little feature, not a big deal, and very inexpensive in the grand scheme of things. You know, $50, you can have one added to your kitchen. So think about it next time you do your kitchen, when you're doing your kitchen remodel, that you need a cutlery drawer. All right, have a great day. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.